This video tutorial I will explain what is hashing. Imagine you have a favorite snack like cookies that you enjoy eating regularly. Now instead of going all the way to store every time you want some cookies, you decided to keep a small supply of them in the special drawer in your kitchen. Once you do that, whenever you want cookie, you no need to go to the store and get the cookies. Instead, you can get the cookies quickly from kitchen drawer. Cookies. These are like pieces of information or data that your computer or device uses. It could be a web page you visit often, images, videos, or anything else your device needs from the internet. Your kitchen drawer. This is like hash. It is a special place where your computer stores a copy of data which it uses very frequently. Going to the store. Think of this as a fetching data from the internet. It takes time because your computer has to reach out to the distant place like a website server to get the data. Having cookies in the drawer. When you have got cookies in your kitchen drawer, you can quickly grab them without going to the store. Similarly, when your computer has data in the hash, it can quickly access the data without going to the internet. So the hash is like a handy drawer where your computer keeps frequently used information to save time and make things work faster. It is same like having cookies in your kitchen drawer. Means you can satisfy your snack carving faster. Having a hash means your computer can access information more quickly when you need it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.